Looking for headphones with powerful bass, clear audio, and all-day comfort? Welcome to Gadgeto Lab, your go-to spot for the latest and smartest tech gear. Meet the Soundcore Space Q45, premium hybrid noise-canceling headphones designed for immersive sound and everyday comfort. With powerful bass, crystal-clear audio, extended battery life, and advanced noise reduction, they're perfect for travel, work, music, and uninterrupted listening wherever you go. What's in the box? Inside the box, you'll find the Sony WH-CH520 wireless headphones, USB Type-C charging cable, user manual and quick start guide, product features. The Sony WH-CH520 features a lightweight on-ear design that minimizes pressure on your head, making it comfortable to wear for extended periods. Soft ear cushions and an adjustable headband provide a secure, personalized fit, whether you're working, studying, commuting, or relaxing at home. It delivers clear, balanced audio with well-defined vocals, detailed mids, and enjoyable bass for a wide range of music genres. Sony's DSEE, Digital Sound Enhancement Engine, technology helps restore details lost during audio compression, creating a richer and more natural listening experience. With up to 50 hours of playback on a single charge, the WH-CH520 is designed to keep up with multiple days of listening without frequent recharging. It also supports quick charging, providing hours of additional playback from just a few minutes of charging when you're short on time. Equipped with Bluetooth 5.2 technology, the headphones deliver a stable wireless connection and efficient power consumption. Multi-point connection allows simultaneous pairing with two devices, making it easy to switch between a smartphone, tablet, or computer without manually reconnecting each time. Technical specifications. How to wear. Check the markings on each ear cup, L for left and R for right, and align them correctly with your ears. This ensures proper sound balance and helps you experience audio the way it was intended, with clear stereo separation and accurate direction. Gently place the ear cups over your ears and adjust their position so they fully cover your ears without gaps. Make small adjustments to ensure a secure and comfortable fit that delivers clear, balanced sound while reducing outside noise. How to pair? Press and hold the power button located on the left ear cup until the LED starts flashing. This indicates that your Sony WH-CH520 headphones are powered on and now in pairing mode, ready to connect to your device. On your smartphone, open Bluetooth or connected devices on Android and select Pair New Device. From the list of available devices, tap Sony WH-CH520 wireless headphones and confirm the pairing. Once connected, the headphones are ready for audio playback. Launch the Sony Headphones Connect app. The app should automatically detect your headphones. Tap OK to add them, and you can choose to sign into your account or skip it. You can also go through the optional tutorial to learn about app features, but this step is not mandatory. how to charge. Use the included USB-C charging cable and plug it into the charging port on the headphones. Connect the other end to a power source like a wall adapter, laptop, or power bank. While charging, the LED indicator will show the charging status, and once it's fully charged, usually in about 3 hours, the light will indicate completion. After that, you're ready to enjoy long hours of playback. Safety tips. Avoid extreme temperatures. Use approved chargers. Keep them dry. Clean gently. Use safe listening levels. Store properly. You've been watching Gadgeto Lab, where tech meets innovation and imagination never stops. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned. The future of gadgets is just getting started.